Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. Well, Uber has been crashing like crazy lately, and drivers are actually protesting right now in the summer of 2022, which I have a feeling a lot of you drivers will be very happy about this. I think there's some good change coming, potentially more pay for drivers. A lot of protests lately have been working, and Uber actually has raised rates for drivers in specific markets where there have been a lot of protests. Anyways, we're gonna get into the update today. Please thumbs up the video, and wanted to tell you all about an awesome opportunity to make $10. So there's a new app called Work Solo, and basically they're the business app for drivers. They help drivers track their expenses for taxes, optimize their income, and even guarantee their pay. They say the average driver makes over $5,000 a year. And right now, when you sign up for Solo with our link, because of our special partnership that we've negotiated, they're letting all of our viewers get $10 just for trying out the app for free anywhere in the United States. So check out Solo, link below, and let's get started. So a lot of Uber drivers lately have been reporting that their app has been crashing, Uber's app has been crashing, and a lot of drivers have been saying that they're even getting deactivated out of nowhere, and their accounts have been getting hacked into. So I actually got my Uber account hacked into recently. I got this email a couple weeks ago saying your email address has been changed to GeneThompson2109@gmail.com. I don't know who that is, but somebody went into my account, changed my email, and then went in and changed my phone number on the account. And I basically right now am not able to go online because my account's been hacked, and basically I'm deactivated. Now there is another YouTuber, gig YouTuber basically by the name of Sarah Elizabeth, and she posted as well her Uber Eats account, Uber account, got deactivated after being hacked. Somebody hacked into her account, and literally look, it's almost the same exact thing as me. You can see, like word for word almost, Steve Will 3099, like even the same first and last name with 4 numbers. And you know, she got hacked into. This is literally what I was just showing. So many drivers, and she said 6 other female YouTubers, gig YouTubers, got their accounts deactivated. Somebody said you did not get hacked, you got social engineered into giving them the account. Yeah, I don't know how that happened at all. I don't like ever click on emails, I just whatever. So that's been going on. And now, if you didn't know, Uber drivers are currently on protest in New Haven. Uber drivers are marching for better pay and protections. These drivers are saying they need paid sick leave. Drivers from across the state broke away from behind their steering wheels Wednesday to march across New Haven to demand better benefits, pay, and protection from rideshare companies like Uber. Do you want benefits? Comment down below. The drivers, who work mostly for Uber, but also DoorDash and Lyft, convened at New Haven's Union Station to gather gig workers for the walk up to City Hall, where they met with legislators to share stories of exploitation and propose some possible paths forward. The drivers of Connecticut are suffering, Carlos Gomez, co-founder of worker-led nonprofit Connecticut Drivers Union, said. We're not something for you to pick up on the streets. Johnson, an Uber driver, focused her comments on protections for women, and individuals disproportionately vulnerable to violent maltreatment on the job. We are workers. The pair are two of the lead organizers pushing for Uber and similar services to provide a minimum wage, workers' compensation, health insurance, and protection from SA and discrimination. We work 80 to 100 hours a week. We don't have any kind of benefits, and the companies take away 70% of what you all pay. That's crazy. 70%? A glimpse into how fares are calculated. Yeah, they're showing that it's a $4 ride. Okay, I thought they were gonna show the passenger payment, but drivers are also not paid for wait time. Anyways, these drivers are really upset. They're actually, you know, the New Haven, Connecticut, they're protesting. Look at this. I mean, it's not a lot, but I mean, hey, they're getting out there, they're trying to get their money. So let me know your thoughts on this. And if you do want some money right now, and if you do want guaranteed pay or benefits, or not benefits, but you know, guaranteed wage, you can sign up for Solo and actually clock in to guaranteed pay, so you do make money when you go out and drive. So you can sign up for these shifts and they'll pay you some pretty decent money. So you will get $10 just for trying out the app, linking your gig account. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you soon.